What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I want to make this video for you guys on can you still make money with CPA marketing and Craigslist in 2025? So the short answer is yes, but in my opinion, the best way to do it now is the black hat route, right? So you are going to go out and you're going to build a website like this. I've showed it in my previous videos. Basically, you want something like this, or it could be any type of work type of website. It doesn't have to be work from home. It could be construction, literally any type of website, right? But you want it to look like 100% legit, so they would click apply. Look, you would never know. Like, this is asking for everything that you would need, right? And then it doesn't send them to any like scammy websites, no CPA offers. Like, they never leave this website here at all, right? So basically, in a nutshell, you want them to you're going to post your ad on Craigslist, the website I just showed you, and then from there though, you want to have display ads. Now, the good thing about display ads is that you can start promoting anything. Like, it doesn't have to be in the work from home niche. It doesn't have to be like compliant with Craigslist, like, because it's a display ad. Like, anybody can, it's like Google ad, whatever. Like, anyone can do this. Like, anyone can promote on this website or whatnot. And the people, most importantly, who go to the website from Craigslist, they're not going to associate that ad with your website. So you can promote weight loss. You can promote cream. So you can find a job that's targeted towards old people and then start promoting creams for the face for wrinkles. Like, you could really dive deep into this right here. But again, it is going to take a little bit of work. Like I said, you will have to build this website out. Like, you're going to have to build all this out here. And you can also build out a nice little funnel. So once you collect their email, their phone number, stuff like that, you can start following up on the back end with other offers and, and such or whatnot. But yeah, that, like, in my opinion, that is the best way to do it because they are no longer going to report you anymore. And on top of that, you get to put up ad after ad after ad after ad after ad after ad. And if you see right here, look at that, 137 million views. Craigslist still gets a lot of traffic, right? And the only thing, like I said, you have to do is mainly just build out that website that's compliant with Craigslist. And then you can put up as many ads as you want. And as long as you don't get reported, you're good to go. And as long as you're not sending them over to a CPA offer, you're golden. Like this right here, like a lot of people will make a website or a landing page similar to this right here, nowhere near as much work, of course, but similar to something like this. And even if it was like they use like an AI builder or something and it did all this for them, they would take this right here, put it on Craigslist, and then have this yellow button, go to a CPA offer, and get shut down. Like, you have to do the back end work too. All right. Or if you're going to do Craigslist, the landing page, and the CPA offer, you can still make money doing it for sure. It's just going to get you shut down right away. Like, as soon as Craigslist gets like 5, 10, 15 people, this is a scam, this is a scam, this doesn't work, it's a scam, boom, gone. They're going to either block your account, shadow ban you, or they're going to ghost your ad. Or they shut your whole account down like immediately. Like, then on top of that, you have to keep getting card after card after card after card after card. Like, you can't use the same card for every Craigslist account, and they don't accept prepaid accounts, prepaid cards. Damn, I can't talk today. But they don't accept prepaid cards. A lot of them, anyway, I should say. So I would say if you're gonna go that route, you would have to get what do you call it? I used to get them a lot. An employee debit card. So go open up a business bank account, use your EIN. I went to Bank of America, and you can order as many employee debit cards as you want. So you can order 10, 20, 30 of them at a time. Like, if you've been following me for a long time, I used to go get those, they were like Go Bank cards. I used to go get like 30, 40, 50 of them at a time. It's weird going to the store. They would, sometimes I would buy cards and they wouldn't load the money onto the cards, so now I have to go back. Like, it's just not really worth it with that hassle right there, in my opinion. So I would say go get you an employee debit card, a bank account, a business bank account, and then get you some employee debit cards, right? If you're going to go down the path that I was just talking about. All right, and then from there, you're going to have to get you some phones, or you're going to have to get you different computers, or you can use a bunch of virtual computers, stuff like that. Then that's a whole nother topic to get into, because you have to start using servers and proxy server, stuff like that. It's just that's just a huge pain in the ass. Like if you're like a new person, I would just say just create the website like this right here, put your display ads on it, and call it a day. This right here, like if you really want to know about this way, you could just shoot me a text or something. But it's just a huge pain in the ass to go down this path right here. But like I said, it is possible. If you just want to do, yeah, I can't even tell you really how you can do that these days unless you're promoting a compliant CPA offer, which most offers are not compliant. So if you wanted to run this way, I would say go out to a business owner directly and then be like, hey man, I like to promote you, whatever. And then you can go through something like TrackDesk, set it all up through there, and then promote the offer so then that way they know how much to pay you and stuff like that. Or you can use is it Bitmob or Bmob, something like that. It's like some free tracker or whatnot that you can use as well. But that's the, in my opinion, that's like the best way to do that way. But yeah, you pretty much got, if you want to use Craigslist, you got to do some work today now. They're not really doing this 3-step strategy anymore. They're not really feeling it, unfortunately, because this used to pull in some cash. You used to promote damn near anything you wanted on Craigslist. Like they had a whole section, like what it wasn't technically but made for it, but the gig section, labor section, you could post for free. I think it was like every couple hours you can make a new post. You were just getting traffic left and right. It was great. Then they started making you pay for it, and sometimes they keep your money. I've had plenty of ads that get shut down that never seen the light of day, never got a single single click, nothing, and they kept my money. So they do not fuck around anymore. Like you have to run a whole chargeback on them if you really wanted your money back. So yeah, like I said, don't fuck around with Craigslist in the sense of like doing this right here in a way that they don't like it. Like I said, eventually, like it's just not really worth it because eventually you're just gonna get shut down. So I would say go this route right here, and you'll probably never have any issues, depending on again what's on there. Like it depends on what you're actually like promoting. Because I mean, you'll get some people who's gonna report you anyway. Like if you have it where, like, let's say for example, you set it up to where they get to schedule an appointment. Right, because you can do this with a bunch of websites too. They can set up an appointment so it looks super legit, but they'll be waiting for that appointment. So if you have it set up for next week Tuesday, and then they never hear from you, they might just go back to your ad and just report your shit just because. Nope, but they didn't reply. This and that. It's got to be a scam. So you're always going to get reported. This is just a way that you're going to get way less reports and such. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Just thought I'd give you guys an update on Craigslist because I don't see anyone talking about Craigslist anymore. You can make a shit ton of money still using Craigslist. You just got to use, you just got to put in a lot more work now.